Okay, great. So, welcome to our December 24 recap webinar. I welcome you all. Today, I am Mahbub Alam from FlyWP, joining as a host, and Tanvir Choudhury will join me as a guest. We have worked on the really awesome enhancement and fixes throughout the past months. So everything we will go through this, and cutting to the chase, I'll hand over to Tanvir to explain all this to you guys. So let's start. Tanvir, you are on.
Thank you, Marvolo, for giving me the platform. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the FlyWP webinar for the recap of December. I am Andy Tanvi Choudhury from FlyWP Support Engineer. So let's get to the recap from our last month. So we made some of the major fixes and enhancements you already know. Some of you don't have the whole idea actually what the changes and fixes we had introduced in the last month. So let's go from the backup options in DigitalOcean. So we have introduced two of the new regions to our DigitalOcean backup locations. One of them is Toronto 1 as TOR and TOR and 1, and one of these is London LON 1. So you can just choose this provider from your backup settings and choose Toronto 1 or London 1 as you want. So these were the two which were requested from our clients to add this backup provider, because some of them were using this from their backup providers from these regions. We have increased the number of backups. Previously, you could see up to 30 backups logs from your FlyWP dashboard. So now you can see over 200 backups list on your dashboard. So more is better than less. So come to the next one. We have enhanced the email connectivity with Postmark and Mailgun. So the email verification, some of our clients were facing this issue about the email verification issue was really giving them headaches. So we fixed it in the last month. So as you already know, however, I'll show you how it works. So log into your FlyWP dashboard. Then choose your server and site and email, enter your Postmark or email API credential, then verify connection and session. Yes, you can go to our documentation. I'll just give you a hint about that Mailgun. See, I'm already in a server and this side, OLS side. So over here, choose the email tab, and from there you can choose your Postmark credentials or the Mailgun. The fields are same as usual, so there's nothing to worry about. And then we have made some major
Tanvir, one
fixes.
thing I would like to add with the
Yes.
previous our enhancements. Previously, the verification process takes a bit of longer time than expected.
Yes.
But currently, we have made this process faster and smoother. So it will be established within a very less time. So
Yes.
let's continue.
That's true. That's really true. Previously, yes, you mentioned the one good thing. One of our clients was facing this thing that the timing was a bit longer than usual while connecting these things. Now, next to the fixes and enhancements, we have improved the site deletion process, optimized site removal processes, and we fixed the light speed configuration fixes. So come to the point, we have improve the site deletion process. So sometimes when some of our clients were facing this, that when they were trying to delete an Nginx site or a WordPress site, the delete status was showing, but it was taking a lot of time. So we fixed it. You can delete the site as usual. And we have removed the
The
clone
process
badges.
is much smoother right now. The deletion process
Yes,
works
it takes a
faster
lot of
and much more smoother, and it's
yes, and
totally
it
error
takes
free.
so much less time.
Yeah.
So yes, thank you, Mahbub. And we have removed clone badges for clone sites. One of our clients from our Facebook community. Thanks to you and welcome actually. So we have removed the clone badges for clone sites, and it's done. And we have added an Nginx logo to help you easily identify the Nginx-based sites. So let me show you around. Like when you're on your server, this one. that's a Nginx site. So when you see the overview, there's this small logo for you guys, and from this OLS site, it will show the OpenSS logo over there.
Yeah,
So
OLS
we made it.
logo was already there, but Nginx logo was missing. So we have added the
Yes, we added it.
Nginx logo for Nginx stack-based sites, so that it's easily identifiable for everyone.
Yes. So moving to the Lightspeed configuration fixes. Some of the problems was that when the object cache settings was choosing, so the method was choose by default it was memcached, but actually by default it should be Redis. So we have fixed it. You can just go over there, and I'm just skipping the whole process because I know everyone has their own schedules and all. So you can go over your site backend, go to settings, Lightspeed cache, and here you can select object. So previously it was like that, memcache selected by default, wherever with the memcache extension is already disabled. So for the previous, one thing to mention, for previous sites which were already created, you have to just make these sites like choose Redis and save changes. It will be like this. For the new sites, by default, the method of Redis and host would be the same. Okay, so this was the changes we made, and then we have refined the UI for file manager. You can see that when some of the zip folder was not differentiable, so now we have a small changes in the UI, so you can distinguish the extract folder file over there from the file manager actually. So
Basically, we
another
updated
thing,
the extract icon logo so that
yes,
people can
so
easily
it's
identify and unzip the file that's on file manager. So that's it.
yes. So we have upgraded the email settings. So when you are connecting the custom server, let me go show you about there. My bad. Okay. So suppose this is your site, and you can go over there email, and from there you can select the custom, as you already know. So we made this a bit better for the encryptions. Okay. So now you can select the SSL and TLS, and if none, depending on your niche. But we prefer to use the recommend to use the 587 port for SMTP. This was the changes, nothing more for your betterness. So
Yeah.
ports and so Mahbub, we have holiday sales
Uh,
campaign and big savings to kickstart, right?
Yeah, we had a sales campaign that was our holiday sales. So it was already we it was already there. So those who grabbed the offer, really, I hope they are enjoying this. So that
Yes,
was all for December. So
yes.
let's wait.
Actually, the thing is, we are really appreciable and appreciating your participations and helpfulness in our FlyWP Facebook community and feature enhancement requests. These things made us more closer to our goals and providing the niche and the comfortable platform you want for deploying your sites and for your clients. So thanks a lot for all of the supports actually, and we really appreciate your cooperations and collaborations throughout our previous year. We really appreciate it.
Okay, so we got a question from our audience, which is uh, he asked about what if you want to transfer a server from one FlyWP to another FlyWP account. Is it possible? So, Tanvir, do you know regarding this?
Yes. Thanks, Van Zulkarnain. And I know actually you from the community, you were really helpful. But right now, we are not providing this transferring a server from one FlyWP to another FlyWP account. We suggest you to give a feature request on our feedback page so we can look to it.
Our developer has already
Now developer has
responded
already
regarding this.
responded
He
right now.
assured the thing.
So we really want
Thanks,
you to
Alamin.
submit your feature request. Thanks,
Thanks,
Alamin
Alamin,
Firdaus.
for your helpful comment regarding our queries. So I would like to request all of you that if you have any sort of feature request or any issues or anything, just you can reach us through our support email, which is support@flywp.com. You can reach us anytime if you face any sort of issues. Our support team is already there for you to support you all the way. So that's it. That's all from us. So we really hope you enjoyed this recap, and thank you all for joining our monthly recap webinar. So if you want to explore more, you can read our monthly recap blog, which is on our FlyWP blog page. So you can check that out, and we'll be back in the next month with more updates. So have a great day, and thank you, Tanvir, for conducting the webinar and collaborating with me. So thank you.
Thank you,
So
Mahbub, and thank you everyone for being here. Have a really great day.